Carpet is an important element to be incorporated into the living room. It adds elegance, beauty, and comfort to the living room, which is the central room of the house. A complete wall to wall carpet in the living room can be beautiful, but the trend of having wall carpets has slowly faded away. Selecting the right carpet to fit your house can sometimes be a real headache, especially if it's your first time buying a carpet. There is always a variety of models with different size for your room, but what matters is the one that really suits your room decor by combining a bit of elegance, humor, and extremely originality. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this channel, I bring you home decoration and home design ideas. In this in this video, I'm going to show you modern room carpet design ideas. For any advanced interior design, the most vital factor to consider is the floor carpeting. To achieve the most appropriate surface, magnificence, and color for your house, a soft yet garnishing design does it for you. The following carpet design ideas are the tips to help you choose the right carpeting for your entire home and all its rooms. Plain floors may make your furniture look like it's floating. An optimum work should not only ensure your room but also complement and define a clear outlook for your furniture. It should also abide by your room traffic alignment. It fits the name family room and should therefore provide an atmosphere that's warm and unifying. Any renovations to this room must follow the family priority to make sure that it expresses some sense of comfort to every family member. A carpet being one of them, it must meet all that the living room demands from it. The rug's texture and appearance should be a perfect complement for your dining table by availing an inviting atmosphere to facilitate both healthy dining and family bonding. A vibrant rug beneath your dining furnishing just reveals to you beauty of any home-based ceremonies and spares you the dismay of guests sliding off. The market offers too many carpet designs to choose from. What really dictates your choice is your design concept and style. If you prefer a contemporary one of your house interior, you will certainly go for a fairly to fully plain carpet. The tips and ideas provided above will allow you to effectively select the carpet that suits your quality, price, and taste. If you are going for new carpets or rugs, or you are planning to renovate your home flooring, see the design above in mind and you will transform your room to a dynasty you have always been dreaming for.